We did have to come find the talk of the town this week, the man Dalton Harris. Tell us 3 words to describe 2018 for you so far.
Dedication, difficulty, building.
What have you been dedicated to?
Pretty much self-development as an artist. It's been meetings, auditions, performances.
Hello!
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Dalton Harris.
And where are you from?
I flew here from Jamaica.
The crowd likes that.
Tell us about some of the difficulties that you've had to face.
Difficulty in terms of just the frustration of it all.
Who are some of your musical inspirations, Dalton?
I like mind work, please.
Dalton, you're a little bit nervous, aren't you?
Yes.
Don't be nervous. I want you to enjoy every second of this.
How long everything take for come to fruition and go through vocal therapy.
Vocal therapy for what?
I lose my voice entirely. I couldn't even say it.
How you end up losing your voice?
Too much work. Me to perform every single night for over a year. It just cut me away.
What am I gotta do to make you love me?
How did this come up?
Ending of last year, I sending in my video clip and then left it to the universe.
What have I gotta do to make you care?
And then we get back the email and say, need for their London, such and such and such. And that's it.
What do I do when lightning strikes me?
Was this whole experience by in any way like kind of inspired by the success of Tesanchin at all?
Funny you said that. Yes.
Sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over?
Was there any difficulties in securing the visa and even arranging the trip and all these things?
The visa part, it was just a matter of paperwork and for read and make sure say I could afford to pay whatever fees it were and you know represent myself the way I always do.
To make you care.
How nerve-wracking was it?
Words can't express. I never have no sleep for about 48 hours. I take the train from Worthing all the way to Wembley. It's like a 2-hour drive. Then getting at the hotel and booking in my hotel and the man them come move me at midnight, say another person book this and them want a room here. And then my day at the venue from like 6 o'clock in the morning and me never sing until almost 1 o'clock in the morning. At one point I find myself, I wash my face every 3 minutes to make sure I say it make me stay awake.